First of all, you need a good tomato sauce to start out with. You saute your onions and your garlic, and then you put in your canned tomatoes and some oregano and salt and pepper, and voila, you let it cook for about 40 minutes. When that's done, in another pot, you take a quart of heavy cream. And if you have prosciutto, saute that in a little butter in the pan first. Once that gets sauteed, a little brown, then you add in your container of heavy cream. Then you add in a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And you stir. And then when that's done, you take about a quarter of a cup of vodka, but not the expensive kind. No Grey Goose or anything like that. You use your cheap bottle. And you stir. And then when that's a little bit, not boiling, but almost boiling, you take your ladle and you pour in your tomato sauce into the cream. And you get it to the color that you like. And you stir it until it gets really hot, and then you taste it. And you go, delicious.